Hello Rajni, hello Wasim. How the champions doing?
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
How are
doing
you?
great.
Awesome, awesome. That's the spirit, guys. That's the spirit. So tell me, how was your week?
It was good. Very, very, very good. Fine.
Very awesome, very awesome. I can see the sparkles. I can see the Josh, we say na, in your eyes that आज तो फोड़ देंगे भाई. आज तो कर देंगे काम तमाम. Really good, really good. Okay, guys. So a very, very, very interesting activity today we'll be doing, and that is called Wheel of Life. So Wheel of Life. What a strange name it is. So I'll do one thing. Let me explain you what is this. So as you see, Wheel of Life. So wheel we say the car wheel. Your life have different in a okay. We'll see a wheel of a cycle. In that has different spokes and all. So imagine if I break two three spokes, what will happen? The tire will it will not go as usually as it do. So same with our life. We have different spokes, or we have different parts in our life. It is your wealth, your relationship, your family, your possession, your XYZ and XYZ, and that's it. So once these all area of your life come together in harmony, in smoothness, it will go, your life go really smooth. Because a tire, if it is truly round, it will go smooth. Your journey will be good. But if your tire is a square, like you can imagine how much energy you have to waste to go from one point to another. Okay. So what I will do before I will broadcast this tool, let me just brief you about the instructions, how you need to conduct this. So the once I broadcast this, so you will get different aspects as I mentioned, like wealth, relationship, possession, your personal learning, and all these things. So you need to rate each and every area from 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. And my personal suggestion, guys, do not rate any of the thing as 5, because 5 means, oh, either I'm not here or I'm here. It's just like giving a stable, but life is not stable. Things go up and down. So you need to be very honest with you, and you need to rate 1 between 1 to 10 and not the 5. Are you guys ready? Give me thumbs up, man. Give me
Yes.
thumbs up. Yes, awesome, awesome, awesome. So I will broadcast to you, and I've done that one. Once you're done with your rating, please let me know. We'll go start. Okay, shoot out, guys.
Sure.
Guys, you're done.
Yes. We are ready with
Okay.
our results.
Yeah, done.
Okay, awesome, awesome. So as the old saying goes, ladies first. So I'll go with Rajni. Rajni, please let me know
Yeah,
what
this
is your
activity was quite interesting for me also.
yeah.
And I can really see the major areas of my life, strongest and the weakest areas,
So
where
could you
I
please
can, I
let me
can,
know? Yeah, sure. So I was just telling you,
I
could
can,
you please let me know the rating which you have given to all of your
yes,
major.
I have given the highest one to health and family and friends.
Okay, how much it is?
It is 8.
Good.
And lowest for my career,
Okay.
career only.
Okay, fine. So Rajni, let me ask you. Let's just take your highest one, the biggest one, which is your family, and as you said, 8. So okay, according to you, what we can do to take it from 8 to 10? What things you say?
Yes, for health, when it comes to health, if I want to make it from 8 to 10, I have to avoid junk food because I
Oh,
am very, I have a temperament. I can eat, I can drink Coca-Colas 10 times in a day. So I cannot control on eating. And of course, I used to do the walking and exercises.
yeah,
Once when it comes to follow a rigid routine,
yeah.
I just skip. Okay, so that I can do for the improvement to make it from 8 to 10. And for family and friends also, of course, I need to give them time, uh, what I am not able to give. So that is the only two ways where I can improve myself from my 8 to 10.
So when it comes to health, and we know that if we want things in the life to change, we need to change.
Yes.
So I need commitment from you. Like you said, let's just say junk food. And you need to come up with a timeline and how baby steps you're gonna take within those timelines so that in the end you're free from those things. So what you say, like how much time you need, like how you.
Baby steps means, yes, if I am taking some junk food 3 times in a week, I can reduce to 1 day in a week.
Very nice, very nice, very nice.
And family and friends, of course, I can talk to some of my friends. I can meet them frequently. I
Sure.
can sit with them. That is calling. I can start from calling friends or
Very good.
family members
So we can,
frequently.
very good. So can we say like you're gonna commit to yourself every Sunday? I'll call one of my friend, or every weekly twice I'll call
Of
one.
course, even I will try to do it 2 or 3 times in a week.
Awesome, 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 awesome. And this is the best approach you're doing because suddenly we leave any addiction, it will come back worsened. So we need to reduce slowly, slowly. And you said very beautifully, like 3 times I'll reduce it to two. So that's really good. And now to talk about your the lowest one, which is your, I think your career. So like what your plans are, how we can take it
Career.
from, yeah, how we can take it from 8 to 10.
Yes, yeah, that is, I have given here 4
Oh,
because I find myself professionally qualified and I'm in the area of teaching. So they are the two different areas. But when it comes to teach my children, I teach them honestly.
sure.
But it is not according to my education. So because of this Arfin Khan's coaching, I can go at least similar to my education for choosing my career.
Sure, sure, sure. And any timeline like you will be completing this. So we are going through together. Like it's a 90 days.
Yes, yeah.
So you definitely feel that I can break the mountain and get from this 4 to 10.
Yeah, yeah.
Awesome. I like that.
Yes, that is only my way, and I have given the time limit also. Maybe till July, I will complete both the things.
Oh, really awesome, really awesome. See, once you set it here, you can achieve here. So that's really good. And the
Yes.
champions logo, I I remember. Okay, so Rajji, really good. Let's jump to Wasim. Wasim, please let me know your results.
Yeah. Uh, Result, as Rajnish ji said, and when we are doing, we are feeling that we are focusing on each and every aspect of area where we are too much aware on those areas. Yeah,
Sure,
it's truly great. And I myself rated health and relationship and learning. This is the area which is the highest for me, where I rated myself 7.
wow, good. So 7, as you said. But I would like to know, like, what are those things which making you stuck at 7, or like what you can do where from 7 we can
Okay.
make it to 10.
Okay, for a health purpose, actually I'm following my diet, and I already in past I lost many weight, around 20 kg, and
Wow.
I recovered almost 10 to 12. So I have not reached the goal of the weight which I have to gain. I have to gain some 25 kg. So if I reach at that level, so I will think that I have reached to the level of 10. Till now I'm in that journey, and I'm doing for that, and I'm
Okay,
getting a result as well for that.
nice.
So yeah, I'm doing my following diet properly, doing yoga in morning, in evening I'm doing a workout. So I'm doing, and step by step I'm reaching to my those goals.
And you know, Wasim, I think I should say it, you are an inspiration because a person who have lost 20 kgs and is recovering. So it simply shows that how uh, I will say equipped you are, how clear you are, because nowadays health is the biggest wealth, I will say, and you are doing some really actions and good actions. You are maintaining it, and as you said, you have gained weight. So definitely, I will say you will reach the 10. So big round of applause, man.
Yeah, sure.
Seriously.
Thank you.
And Wasim, to talk about your lowest one, could you please let me know what it is?
Career and wealth. As I said that due to health issue, I left my that job because I had
Okay.
to continue night shift.
Sure.
So that is not my cup of tea. So right now I have given career 2 and wealth is 2 because I lost all my
Oh,
money in my this due to health issue.
yeah.
So I right now I don't I'm in debt. So I have
Okay.
to recover all those things. So I rated 2 in career and wealth.
Sure. And one small advice which I tell you, which I have faced before becoming a coach, and that thing, like when I was in so-called bad situation, I used to only say one thing: it's temporary. It's temporary. So I would like you to say, don't use this word there. No, just say it's temporary. And we all are together,
Yes.
this transformation journey. And before that, I'll let you to know, now you are like a gully cricket boy who's playing in gully. And with this transformation, you're gonna become Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni. It's just the game of patience. And I'm very proud that you superb guys are with me with this transformation. I feel really proud when you get out of this, achieve all your success. So, guys, big, big, big round of applause for both of you. And guys, now they wrap up, but they say the end is the new start. Okay. So
Yes.
I would like to say that once we meet next, so we're gonna do another my personal favorite. I'll say this is the best activity, and the activity name is the speech activity, which we'll be doing next. But for time being, I'll say stay amazed, stay happy, stay healthy, and the last, hold your chicks. Come on, both of you. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, self love. One, two, three. And appreciation for the world. Be awesome, guys. Love you. See you next time.
Thank you so
Keep
much.
rocking.
Bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Bye, guys. Bye.